Now that the input is prepared, the next step is to run the inference by calling the interpreter. This is the easy part. It's just 2 lines of code, so let's look at them one by one. First, you define your results, and in this case, it's an array of arrays. Think of the first as a representation of the tensor, and the second being the array of neurons for our number of classes. In this case 2, as we have cats and dogs as our classes. The probability of the image being each class is then written to the respective value in the array. The run method on the interpreter is then called, and the results are written into the result for you to parse out. The final step is to read out the results. Remember, we have confidence values per class, so we might see that an image is 1% dog and 99% cat. So this code might seem like an overkill for a 2-class problem like this, but consider what would happen if we were using a 1000 class mobile net. We could use exactly the same code. It uses an Android priority queue, which is a nice way of pre-sorting the values for us. They get sorted as they're loaded into the queue, and we can then pick the top X values. In the case of cats versus dogs, we'll just take the top value overall. So that's a quick tour of what's going on in the Cats vs. Dogs image classification app for Android. In the next video, I'll do a screencast of loading and running the app, as well as breaking it with the debugger so you can see what's happening under the hood.